In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Voicemod in Discord. So this can be really useful if you want to go and play sound effects and music through your Discord app. Now to do this, we first need to open up an internet browser. You can then type in Voicemod and press enter. Click on this top website, which is voicemod.net, and then click on the download for free button. Now before you can install Voicemod, you need to go and create a free Voicemod account. Now I'm already signed in, so my download will begin automatically. You can then click on your downloads folder and go and open up the Voicemod installer. So now we just need to go through the steps to install this onto our computer. So I'm going to press OK, click on next, agree to the terms and conditions and press next, click on next, press next again and then select install. Now once it's finished installing, we can check launch Voicemod and press finish. Now once you have the app running, click on get started. You'll then need to sign back into your account and you can select next. Go and select your external microphone from the drop down list and also select either your speakers or your headphones and then press next. You can then press start using Voicemod. Now from this app, you need to go and click on soundboards in the left hand side, and here you'll see all of the soundboards you have in your account. Now to go and add new sounds, click on the add button, and you can see there's a full library of different sound effects that you can go and use. You can also search for particular sounds by using the search box, and you can just click on a sound in order to add it to the soundboard. Now in order to actually start using these in Discord, let's go and open up the Discord app, and then you need to click on settings in the bottom left hand side. From the left hand navigation, scroll all the way down to voice and video, click on the drop down next to input device, and this is where you need to go and select Voicemod. Once you've selected Voicemod, you can go and close out of this window, and you can now start playing sound effects through your Discord servers.